Now we move ahead in the major crop section. Maize. It is also known as corn. The cultivation of maize requires moderate rain as well as moderate temperatures. Fine. Now the soil should be well drained. Well drained soil, and there should be lot of sunlight or the main producers or the main areas where you get maize or people cultivate maize are North American region, then we have Mexico, Brazil, China, India. These are the main places, okay, where people cultivate maize or the crown. In North America you have largest producer, okay. Now so the next crop which we will be discussing is cotton. And this crop, it requires very high temperatures, okay, very high temperatures and light rain. Frost is very harmful for the cotton crop, and when cotton is cultivated, it needs 210 frost-free days. And you must be doing that during night. There is lot of frost in some areas, and that frost, it damages the cotton crop, okay. Best suited black soil for cotton cultivation, because black soil has retention, okay, or you can say moisture retentivity, or you can also say moisture holding capacity. And that's why this black soil is best suited for the cultivation of cotton. some countries are China, USA, India, Pakistan, Egypt. Okay, these are the some countries which produce cotton in large amounts. Egypt is
the largest producer of best quality long staple cotton in the world. Long staple means the fibers of this cotton are long. Okay.
the next crop which we will be studying or which we will be discussing in this chapter is jute. It is also known as golden fiber. Jute requires alluvial soil for best results. Okay. And jute crop, it develops best in high temperature, high rainfall and high humidity areas. Areas. The largest producers of jute in the world are India at the top, and at second place it is Bangladesh. So you must be knowing that in the past we used to have some brown colored bags in which sugar, wheat and rice used to be stored. Those bags, which were also known as gunny bags, they were made up of jute fiber. Jute is also a tropical plant. That is, it is more suited to the areas which are near to equator. Okay, so this was all about jute, and now we move to the next crop, which is coffee. So this is a beverage crop, that is, it is a drink, and the past two crops, that is cotton and jute, they were fibrous crops. Okay, somebody can ask you a question in the examination in one word or multiple choice, that is example of a beverage crop or example of a natural fiber crop, okay, or animal fiber crop. So then you could be very clear. Next one is coffee. So now coffee is again also a tropical crop, but it requires well-drained slopy areas. Okay, well-drained slopy areas with loamy soils. Fine, and it requires warm days and wet climate. It is again a crop, okay, tropical crop, and it grows better in tropical areas where, and these areas are near to the upper portion as well as to the lower portion of equator, where you have heavy rainfall, heavy sunlight, and more highest amount of humidity. So these areas are suited for the cultivation of coffee as well as all the tropical plants. Okay. Brazil, it is at top, and India is at third place, and second place is Colombia. Okay, so these are the three largest producers of coffee in the world. Third, okay, next crop in the series is tea. Again, it is a beverage crop, or it is used as a drink, and for tea you require hilly areas. And these hilly slopes, they should be well drained. So, tea requires lot of rain, but that rain should not come in 1 or 2 months in a year. It should be well distributed throughout the year, okay? And tea plant, it grows well in cool climate or weather. Now, the next thing which tea crop requires is that okay, why we told you that the cultivation of tea requires slopes is because in slopes there is no water logging or stagnation of water, and when this stagnation or water logging takes place, it damages the roots of the tea plant and the crop is damaged completely. In both coffee as well as tea, for the cultivation of both of these plants, you require a lot of labor, because without labor, the plucking of tea leaves can't be done, and as well as the coffee beans, it also requires a lot of labor. So the major countries which produce large amounts of tea are India, Kenya, China, Sri Lanka. These are the major producers of tea in world. Okay, and all these countries, they produce very good quality of tea. So the next topic which we will be discussing is